Happy Easter. Today I'm going to be doing a Polly Pocket Easter video and showing off what I got from the Easter Bunny. Then I'm going to unbox everything, but only the Polly Pockets. And then I'm going to do a story with my whole village. Back there is, you can't see, but you can if I do this, my castle, my regular house, the bear, and the sports center. And there might be a new set today in my Easter basket. Okay. First thing is the new set. Then we're gonna get a new doll with some accessories and an egg. Kinetic sand, bubbles, some sticker book, a ballet stories with Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Minnie Mouse. This is just full of like stuff and then my new socks. But I'm only keeping out the Polly Pocket stuff because everything else is not Polly Pockets, and that is all about today. Okay, so first up, I will be unboxing this. Let me just lower the camera so you can see. Whoa, this is easy. Beach scene and do dips. Whoop, that is everything there. Okay, let me get out the two dolls. If you already see my other video that I was unboxing with my sister, like how my other one had the little thing that you pulled out, she has one more. Oh, we got a mermaid. I'm gonna go line her up with all the other dolls. That's like a lot of dolls. Oh, cute! I already have this little thing. Sailing boat. Oh, don't get my sibling upstairs making the sound. I heard of that. A picnic table. First up is the surfer, a chair, a little dolphin, a turtle, castle, starfish, oh, cool, a little pearl, and cool, a treasure certificate. Okay, now the big one. Okay, let's see everything these days. Well, this spins around. You can stick some up on the dock. You can go up into the castle, and oh, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna set it up. Okay, put the surfboard and the getting ready room. Put some creatures in the water. Maybe a little treasure chest. Maybe a boat. That right there, and that. Okay, finish setting up. Now we're gonna have to make some room in my village. That right there. That right there. And that right there. Okay, now here's the thing that I was really looking forward to opening, because I've never had one of these, but I have a ton of polygon sets. Okay. Whoa. So we have a mini egg card. Oh, cute. Oh, it's a little background setup. And I guess these eggs must open. Oh, cute. Little accessory. Maybe this could go well with something. And this one. Oh, cute. I got a nerd doll with a balloon and her little cat. Okay. I'll set this up later. Okay, but then I kind of also want to play with my kinetic sand set. Which one should I do for today's video? Well, I think we should do the kinetic sand because then I get to show you what's inside there. But I might have to switch rooms to do this. So because it's too loud upstairs. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy Easter. I'm gonna go and do my egg hunt soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.